Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to understand what is Splunk and what exactly Splunk does. Splunk is the only platform that allows you to investigate, monitor, analyze, and act with any type of data. It could ingest either structured data or unstructured data. Structured data can be the data from RDBMS databases, CSV files, Excel sheets, or any data that is pretty much structured and which can be understandable by anyone. Unstructured data can be the logs or a stream of logs coming from a different sources. And Splunk can handle data from any time scale. It could be historical data or it could be the current stream of data coming from various data sources. And we could bring any type of insights from the data. We could bring metrics from the data, and that is how we can, it is useful for the efficiency of our business. And finally, we could act upon the data based on the events coming from various data sources. We could write certain conditions or we could write certain validations and we could act upon the data. Maybe it could be generating alerts in real time and alerting the teams on the malicious activity or unexpected behavior based on the data available in Splunk.